Welcome back to Suncoast View. You may have checked off your holiday shopping list, or you've been procrastinating. Either way, there's always one last gift to buy. So we are very happy to welcome back Lori Schott, the Chief Toy Officer at the ToyInsider, with great gift ideas for stocking stuffers. All right, let's go.
So here is a fun thing to do.
Okay.
Hairchalk. So this is really cool. What we would do is open this up, put it right on your hair.
Here, Linda, come over here. Let's try this on you.
And we have... Go ahead.
Just kidding.
We use this to put it on, use the little comb to brush it through, and what I love about these, so kids are going to use this, think about it, play dates, parties, right? Everyone's getting their hair done. You can use these on your face.
Joey's going in.
Oh, there we go.
How are we doing?
Let's
Is it
see.
coming through? I don't know, my dark. Is it covering the gray?
You can cover your gray with this. I should have thought about that. And you can use it on your skin. So kids can even put it on their face. So we can do fun artwork on the face.
Oh, fun.
And it comes with glitter. So after we're done with our hair and our face, we can add a little bit of glitter.
I love this. This will be really popular with the girls.